Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use the Crypto.com app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Next, you will need to complete a quick identity verification process, which typically takes only a few minutes. After that, link a funding source, such as a bank account or a debit card, to easily deposit funds and begin your crypto journey. This initial setup is straightforward and secure. Once your account is set up, buying cryptocurrency is simple. Tap the Buy button on the app's home screen. You can then choose from hundreds of available cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify the amount you wish to purchase. Review your order details carefully, then confirm the transaction using your previously linked funding source. Your new crypto will appear in your wallet almost instantly. Managing your digital assets is intuitive. Your portfolio overview is readily available on the home screen, showing your holdings and their current value. You can easily transfer cryptocurrencies to other Crypto.com app users or to external crypto wallets. Additionally, consider staking certain cryptocurrencies through Crypto.earn to generate passive income, with some options offering up to 10% annual interest. Beyond buying and selling, the Crypto.com app offers several powerful features. You can apply for the Crypto.com Visa card, allowing you to spend your crypto and earn rewards on everyday purchases. Explore Crypto.earn for even higher interest rates on your holdings. Always remember to enable two-factor authentication for robust security, protecting your account with an extra layer of defense.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.